We're currently installing the two Z drives. We got the 8 screws and our Allen wrench and the two Z's, which I pulled out of the first packing list box here. Two Z assemblies. Control box is already in. We got our filament and spool holder left. This box pretty much all done. You just have your power cords, USB, a few more bolts to go. You got 2 more M525s. So our packing list number 2 is almost done. Our bed we still have to do with corner braces. So I'd say we're probably halfway through. I tilted this printer on its side just to get access to these holes for the screws. It's just quite a big printer at the moment. You can see the amount of space that you have in here is pretty substantial. Do have to make a commitment for room when you get this printer. I didn't look at the instructions of what we got coming up next. I'm kind of doing this on the fly, just like you guys would be. This carriage assembly seems to be very good quality for the Z. You got four wheels. Some people have been replacing these wheels already with polycarbonate, probably just out of preference. I don't feel any flat spots that sometimes do occur when you have printers sitting in boxes too long. Almost every one of my other printers, when I would get them, you would slide the carriages back and forth and you'd feel flat spots, but this printer here, I have not felt that yet. And of course, it's not 100% yet. I'm going to tighten these all the way because I'm not going to have any good access to this again. People are getting bored of watching screws get tightened. I suppose I would be. Helps when you have a lot of room to put this together. I couldn't imagine trying to do this in a tight space with the 3 boxes and the printer. So I'm going to stand this up. Let's take a look, see what we have next here. The assemblies are done. Top bolts are in. Stepper motors should face the rear, which they do. They face the control box. So next thing we're going to go into is this bed assembly. We'll do that on another video. I'm going to stand this printer upright, get it all set up, and then we'll pull this out of the box, and we'll see you in a little bit.